Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. In my previous video, I showed you guys how to make a 3-part corset pattern. Now we're going to use the cup of that pattern to make these custom cups. So if you've not seen that video, I'm going to link it up here and down below so that you guys can check it out. And yes, let's just get started with this amazing tutorial. So guys, first off, you're going to take your 3-piece pattern and you're going to cut it out on wadding. So wadding is basically a thick breast pad, like some people call it. So it's a thick fabric, a thick material used to make cups basically. So you're going to cut it out just like I've done right here. You're going to make sure everything is labeled correctly. Now remember, you need 4 pieces of the smaller pieces and 2 of the larger piece so that you can have 2 different bust cups. So what you're going to do first off is arrange it just like this. Arrange it correctly, guys. Make sure the small side of the long piece is facing the small side of the cup spaces basically. Then you're going to take the 2 of them, and if you have a zigzag machine, you're going to just place it side by side. You're not going to place it on top of each other, side by side, and then you're going to run a zigzag stitch along that line right there. So now I don't have a zigzag stitch available right now, but I'm going to teach you guys how to use a straight stitch. So guys, if you don't have a zigzag stitch, like I said, you're going to place it right sides facing each other, and then you're going to sew it along the edge right there, like you are edge stitching, like very, 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 very tiny, like guys, very tiny. So you're going to sew it along that edge, and once you're done, this is what it's going to look like. Now guys, you're going to take the corresponding top piece and then you're going to place it right sides facing this entire piece again. So like I said earlier, if it's a zigzag stitch, you're going to just place it like that and zigzag it all around that edge. But since we're using a straight stitch, we're going to just place it right sides facing and then sew it along that edge, like very, very tiny, guys. So sew it right there.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
And once you're done, this is what it's going to look like. So guys, this is what the final piece looks like. You can double it if you want, you can triple it. So I basically use them for every corset top I make. You guys remember this Adire design and this Ankara design that I've shown you guys in my 2 previous videos. Now for the blue one, I'm going to show you guys how to make this particular corset top in a future video. It's a very, very beautiful corset top. You guys, I can't wait to show you guys how it looks. But if you've not seen the remaining 2, go check them out. I'm going to link them in the description box so that you guys can see everything and how it works. And yes, that's all for this particular tutorial. I hope you guys love this video. I'm sure you guys love it basically. Please don't forget to watch my other videos, subscribe to my channel, like this video. Thank you guys for your super thanks. Thank you guys for watching my videos to the end. I appreciate it so much. So like I said, subscribe, like, comment, share. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.